Hello students, so today we will see how the naming of different tropical cyclones are done. So we have heard in the news of different names like Nivar, Amphan, Fani, Titli, Bulbul and Gaza, and this time Taute and even the Yas, which is in the news. Now the common question is that who names these storms and why a few sound similar and others not. If you also see that this time the cyclone Taute has been named by meteorologists from Myanmar, and even the Yas, which is in the news, has been named by Oman. Now the question is, why did these countries get to name these cyclones that hit Indian coast? And even the last time that cyclone Nivar was in the news, it has been the name has been proposed by Iran. So actually, in and all, we have different organizations who are responsible for naming these cyclones, and we have different countries who give their name. So the process all started in usually years before they form. So it all started in 2004. 2004 में जो है ये चीज़ start हुई थी, and so in 2004 we were having 8 countries, and 8 countries gave 8 names, and in all we had 64 names which were a part of a list, and up from that list we have regional specialized meteorological centers. So in and around in Indian basin, in and around the North Indian Ocean, we have IMT which is responsible for this. So we have in total in world we have 6 regional specialized meteorological centers, and IMTs among these 6 regional specialized centers which are situated in New Delhi, who is responsible for naming cyclones over Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea among the list of 169 names who have been given by 13 countries. So it all started in 2004. So in 2004 we had 8 countries, and later some countries added, and right now we have 13 countries, and 13 countries have given 13 names, and in and all we have a list of 169 names. So let's see who are these 13 countries. So starting from Thailand, so we have Thailand here, then Myanmar, Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Maldives, here in Pakistan, Iran, Qatar, UAE, Oman, Yemen and Saudi Arabia. So starting from here, it's like a chain you can form and remember who are the 13 countries. So these 13 countries have given 13 names. We will see the list. So the list is like this. So 13 names have been given by each country. That is 13 countries in total. So last time, if you were seeing the news or not, so Nisarg was in news, then Gati was in news, Nivar was in news, Burevi was in news, and this time Taute, which is 5th in the series, and Yas is also in the list. So Yas is also in the news, and Yas has been given by Oman. Now, so talking about the organization at the world level, we have WMO, and in on the behalf of these 13 countries, we have IMT. IMT is actually the part of 6 regional specialized RSMC, one of the RSMC, who basically across the globe to monitor cyclones, issue advisories and naming of the cyclones. So why actually we gave these common names to these cyclones? Because we have different benefits out of this. So the benefits are that these naming of the cyclones help the scientific community, disaster managers, media and general masses to identify each individual cyclone. क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि within a week or within 15 days or 20 days we have 2 different cyclones. Then also they create awareness of its development. They remove confusion in case of simultaneous occurrence of tropical cyclones over a region. अगर simultaneous occurrence हो रहा है different tropical cyclones का, so उससे एक confusion भी remove हो जाता है, and remember a tropical cyclone easily, rapidly and effectively disseminate warnings to a much wider audience. So these are the 13 countries we have already seen. Also we have a criteria that it should be politically and culturally neutral. It should not be rude and cruel. It should be short. For example, the permissible length of cyclone name is 8 letters. It should be easy to pronounce. So as I've already told you that as per the WMO guidelines, it all started in 2004, and that time we had 8 countries, and 8 countries had given 8 names, and in and all we had list of 64 names. And exactly a year before, in May 2020, that cyclone Amphan that was in the news, so that cyclone Amphan का जो name है, that name get its name from the old list. And after that, cyclone Amphan के बाद जितने भी tropical cyclones news में आए हैं, those tropical cyclone have got their name from the new list which I was talking about, the new list which consists of 169 names given by 13 countries. So new names chosen since 2020. So in 2020, a new list of cyclone names was given, issued by IMD following the WMO guidelines, and this new list already contained 169 names. And जो इंडिया ने names दिए हैं वो हैं गति, तेज, मरासू, आग, व्योम. We can see in the list. So here we have India, and India has given like gati, तेज, मरासू, आग, व्योम, झार, परबसा, नीर, प्रभंजा, घूर्मी, अम्बुद, जलधि, and Veg. All are Sanskrit names. So these are the some of the names. So after Amphan, so name is starting with the first list, that is Nisarg, Gati. And if you particularly talk about this Taute and Yas, so Taute is the 5th name and Yas is the 6th name. So Taute has been given by Myanmar, and the Yas which is in the news right now, Yas has been given by Oman. So and after that, if आना तो नहीं चाहिए, but if any tropical cyclone comes, so that will be named Gulab. Its name will be Gulab, and Gulab has been proposed by Pakistan, and after that Gulab, Shaheen, proposed by Qatar. So in and all, this the process goes like this, that we will complete the list 1 first, then list 2, then list 3, list 4, and in and all we have 169 names. So this was all about naming of tropical cyclones. Thank you.
To have more such discussions and analysis, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on our upcoming videos.